Hello everyone! Welcome back to the official YouTube channel of Ved International School, Sivaya, Rudki Road, Meerut. Now that we have learned how to log into the portal, we are going to learn how to mark our attendance. So let's get started. So first of all, we know that as taught, we can just enter our username and our password, and after that we can simply log in to the portal. After logging in, you will need to go to the subject that you want to mark the attendance in. For example, I want to mark my attendance for English subject. And today the date is January 15th. So I will look for the option of attendance there. So I will just go and click on English tile. And after getting inside the English subject, I will see there are a lot of options. Okay. Now, since I have to mark my attendance, I will only be concerned with the attendance option. So I will see that, attendance for January 2022 can be marked here. So after knowing that, attendance can be found here, and teachers will also inform you where they have made the attendance option. So you can go there, you can click on it, and you will find that all the days for which attendance has to be marked are given. Okay. Now you can see that for all the attendance and all the days we have been given a particular time interval. Okay, so the attendance can be marked only within that time interval. So you have to make sure that you enter your attendance from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. on 15th of January. So I will just, after knowing that, I have come at the right time, it's only 11:58 right now, I will go and submit my attendance. To submit my attendance, I will have to click on submit attendance. So on clicking on submit attendance, I will be asked for a password. Okay. Now let me tell you that this password will be provided to you by your teachers on the WhatsApp group every day. So you don't have to worry about that. There will be a different password for different class every day that will be told to you by your teachers. Okay, so it will be informed to you on WhatsApp. So let's say that today's password, I know that, and I will be entering it. So the password, let's say, is 2IW2B4. This is the password for today. Then I will have to mark the status. So basically, am I present? Am I late? Am I excused from the class, or am I absent? So basically, you have to mark the right status. And since you're present, you will be clicking on present. If you are late, then you have to click on late, because the teacher will know the time at which you have marked the attendance. So since I am present in the class, I am going to click on present, and then I will save the changes. After saving the changes, you will see that my attendance for 15th of January has been recorded. So for 15th of January, my attendance has been recorded. I have been marked present. I have been rewarded 2 points for attendance, and the remark is self-recorded because I have recorded my attendance myself. I hope you understood how to mark the attendance on the portal. In case of any issue, you can contact your teachers, and I hope everything is understood. Thank you very much. Keep learning with Ved International School, Sivaya, Rudki Road, Meerut.